Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to write a C++ program to count number of spaces in a given file. The problem definition for which we are going to write a program is like this. Write a C++ program to count number of spaces in a given file. To solve this problem, you have to follow the steps like this. First, accept the file name from user. Open that file in input or read mode. Initialize one variable space to 0. Set the while loop up to end of file. If the end of file is not detected, then read a line from a file. Then count character if it is a space using ++ space, and if the character is not a space, the space variable will not be incremented. So like this, it will count only number of spaces in that line. And like this loop will continue up to the end of file. One by one the line will be read, and in that line only spaces will be counted. After the termination of this loop, we will display the value of space variable as number of spaces and then close the file. Now let us see the actual C++ program in dev C++. So let us write a C++ program to count number of spaces in a given file. For that, we will require certain header files like iostream, fstream and string. So these header files are included. Then in main function, this is the declaration part. Line is a character type array which required to store a line which is read from the given file. Fname is a character type array which is required to store the file name entered by the user. Len is the integer type of variable which is required to find the length, and I is required for setting the for loop, and space is initialized to 0, that is counting number of spaces. Initially the spaces are assumed as 0. Now let us accept the file name from user using cin fname. Then to open that file will require one input stream object. So here fin is the input stream object which is created using ifstream class. Then using this fin fstream object, let us open a file fname in input mode. So here iosin is the input mode. The file will be opened for read operation. Then this particular if condition will test whether or check whether the file is opened or not, or the file is exist or not. If not, if fin will check, and then if this condition is true, it will display fname file does not exist and it will exit from the program. And if this condition is false, mail is existing, then it will move further for other operations. It will display the message contents of fname file, and below that we will display the contents as well as we will display the number of spaces also. For that we have to set up a loop up to end of file. So while fin.eof is equal to 0, if eof function returns 0 value, means there is more data in the file, end of file is not detected, means we will read now the line from a file. So by calling the getLine function using fin object, we will read a line and will be stored in a line array with calculated size. Then we will display the line from the file using this cout line ending with new line character. Then the length of the line is calculated, that is len is equal to string length of line. So how many characters are there in that particular line, and according to that number of characters in a line, the loop is set from I is equal to 0, I less than len and ++ I. So like this the loop will move from the first character to last character within the line, and each character will be checked whether it is equal to a space. So if line of I is equal to space, means line of I indicates a single character in a line, and if it is a space, then this condition will be true, and then we will increment the value of space variable ++ space. So like this ++ space will count the number of spaces in a file if the character in a line is a space. Then like this, here this particular while loop will continuously read one line at a time from a file, and then line will be displayed, and the length within the number of spaces within the line will be calculated using this if condition. When the EF is detected, this loop will be terminated. Then we will do this in that particular file using this cout. Number of spaces in a file is equal to space. Then close the file using fin.close and then return 0 and end of the main function. Now let us run the program and check whether the program correctly displays the number of lines or number of spaces or not. So I am running this program now. Initially I will enter the file name which is not existing. Let us say list.txt. This file is not existing, so it will display list.txt file does not exist. Now I will run the program again, and now I will provide the file name which is already existing. So sample.txt, this file is existing. Sample.txt, this file is existing. Now it will display the contents of this sample.txt file and the number of spaces also. So yes, here the contents of sample.txt file are displayed. These are the 3 lines in that particular file, and number of spaces in a file are calculated as 23. So you can see here in the first line there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Then in second line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 spaces. 11 plus 5 total 16. And in third line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16 plus 7, 23. So like this, calculating number of spaces. So like this, using this, like this, you can write a C++ program to calculate or find or count the total number of spaces in a given file. Hope you understood how to write a C++ program to find number of spaces available in a given text file. Thank you for watching my video.